Chocolate. The gift that, for centuries, has given joy with every bite. But beneath the surface, there's a world of production complexity. Spiraling cocoa costs, making sure nothing goes to waste, controlling quality, and getting it right in every batch, with no exceptions. All while living up to higher ESG standards and expectations. At Palsgaard, we're here to help. Beyond our plant-based emulsifiers, specially designed to improve chocolate quality and production efficiency, our dedicated application specialists are able to draw on very specific expertise from colleagues around the world.
I'm in the chocolate business, but I'm also in the problem-solving business. Whether it's about optimizing recipes, eliminating quality fluctuations, or getting more out of every ingredient, we always find a way. We have an extraordinary wealth of experience to draw on, including the deep R&D expertise of our colleagues in our sister company and research center Nexus.
The problems we come across can be different and difficult. But for me, the most valuable part of my job is diving into these challenges together, which allows us to build close relationships and create successful solutions with our partners.
I think the secret is collaboration. Working closely, customers and colleagues together, listening, understanding, exploring and experimenting as one team. You could say I'm a chocolate nerd, a proud chocolate nerd.
This is Palsgaard in a nutshell. Niche expertise, collaboration, and specially designed plant-based emulsifiers, which together can combine to solve your specific chocolate production challenge. What's yours?